Hello all and welcome to Cool Coder Jay. Today we are going to make a rocket lander game on Scratch. So I have three sprites at the start. One is a rocket ship, which I have only one costume of that, which is the rocket ship E. You can choose the sprite from the sprite library. Then I have one circle named Flame. This is for the effect. I have drawn it. It is 27 by 23. And the last is the landing spot, which I have also taken from the Scratch sprite library. So now let's get coding. In the rocket sprite, we are going to first of all set the X and Y to when green flag click, go to X0, Y 140. So it will go somewhere here at the top. What we want to do is we have to make the rocket fall on the landing spot, and the player has to control it to make sure it is straight. For now, I have to make a variable name direction for all sprites. So I'm just going to rename the my variable default variable and set direction to pick random 1 to 2. Then we are going to do point in direction 90 and a forever loop. In that forever loop, we are going to add an if else, key up arrow pressed, change y by 2, else change y by -2. So now it will just fall down like that. It is not looking good. So let's add the remaining part of code. If key right arrow is pressed, we have to set direction to 1 and duplicate it. If key left arrow is pressed, set direction to 2. Now add an if else. After the if, make sure it is after all this ifs. If direction is equal to 1, then turn right by 0.5 degrees, else turn left 0.5 degrees. And now another if else, so we can duplicate it and then delete all of the inside blocks of this if else. If touching landing spot, then add another if, but it should be outside this if, and make the touching landing spot in this if. So if direction is greater than 80 but less than 100, then say direction is greater than 80 but less than 100, then same you win. Else say you lose. And add and stop all in both the if and else. So it will look something like this. But now it is not saying this, not saying the you win or you lose. So click on this extensions and see, click on this text to speech and speak you win. And same with the you lose. And now for the effects, let's go in the flames sprite. When green flag is clicked, go to back layer, forever, go to rocket ship, point in direction 90 plus, direction of rocket ship. But how will we do that? So in the sensing category, or you can just type here stage, direction of stage, but now direction is the variable, so we have to set this to rocket ship and then direction of rocket ship. Make sure that the direction is not the variable. If the up arrow is pressed, we have to create clone of myself, and when I start as a clone, repeat 10 times, move 5 steps, change color effect by 2, change size by -10, and then delete this clone. For other decoration thing, you can also go in the stage and choose the backdrop to something like this one, the space backdrop. So now we can just run this project. So that's how it looks when we press the up arrow.
You win.
And it says you win. Let's see what happens if we lose.
You lose.
It does not say you lose. Why? Because the order is not proper. First you have to say it, then you have to speak it, or else it will not work. Let's see now.
You lose.
Now it works. Thank you all for watching my video, and bye all.